In this video, I'm going to answer a common question. Can you change your free gift on Temu? Let's dive right in and find out. Start by opening your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. If you already received a free gift from Temu, you might be wondering if it's possible to swap or change it. Unfortunately, once you have selected a free gift in the Temu app, there is no option to change it. Temu does not currently allow exchanges for the free gift you have already chosen. The good news is, you can still earn other free gift and rewards through the app. Head over to the Offers tab. Here you will see different promotions and gift opportunities. You can also go to Messages section where Temu sometimes provide free gift boxes. Open these boxes to unlock deals, promos, and account credit. Another way to get more rewards is by visiting the free items and giveaways page on the Temu website. Here you can participate in promotions to win new items or even account credit that can be used toward different products. I hope now you guys are clear that you cannot directly change your free gift once it's selected, but you can keep earning more gift credits and rewards through offers and giveaways. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.